How to rewind and fast forward video in TikTok. So if you want to rewind and fast forward your videos that you watch on TikTok, then first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. And after opening your TikTok, now here for example I have chosen this video. So if you want to fast forward this video, then on the bottom side you will find a line which is in white color. You can simply just drag that line. If you drag that rightward, then it will fast forward your video, and if you drag that leftward, then your video will be rewind. And if you want to speed up this video, then you can simply tap on the screen for 2 to 3 seconds, and then here you will have playback speed option. You can simply tap on the playback speed and then you can turn this into 2.0x and your video will be speed. So to fast forward and to rewind, you can simply drag that line to the right or to the left. So that's the only way. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.